Good morning, students. Here we will see the remaining portions of the respiratory system physiology. The 12th question is Bohr effect. It is the effect by which the presence of carbon dioxide decreases the affinity of Hb for oxygen. It was postulated by Christian Bohr in 1904. In the tissues, due to continuous metabolic activities, the partial pressure of carbon dioxide is very high and partial pressure of oxygen is very low. Due to the pressure gradient, carbon dioxide enters the blood and oxygen released into the blood from the tissues. The presence of carbon dioxide decreases the affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen. It enhances further release of oxygen to the tissues, and the oxygen dissociation curve is to the right. It is due to Bohr effect. The factors influencing the Bohr effect are oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve is to right in the following conditions: decrease in partial pressure of oxygen, increase in partial pressure of carbon dioxide, increase in hydrogen ion concentration and decrease in pH, increase in body temperature, excess DPG. In conditions like muscular exercise in high altitude, the DPG increases in RBC. Shift to right. Oxygen curve due to the left occurs in the following conditions like in fetal blood. It occurs fetal hemoglobin has more affinity to more than adult hemoglobin, decrease in oxygen ion concentration and increase in the pH. Dead space. Dead space is defined as the part of respiratory tract where the gases exchange does not take place. The air present in the dead space is called dead space air. The parts of respiratory tract which is formed dead space are nose, pharynx, trachea, bronchi, branches of bronchi up to terminal bronchioles. These structures serve as only passage of air movement. The gas exchange does not take place in these structures. The types of dead space are anatomical dead space. It is the volume of respiratory tract from nose up to terminal bronchiole. Physiological dead space, it includes anatomical dead space plus two additional volume. These two additional volumes are generally considered as wasted ventilation. The additional volumes included in the physiological dead space are air in the alveoli which are non-functioning. In some of the respiratory disease, the alveoli does not function because of the dysfunction or destruction of the alveolar membrane. Air in the alveoli which do not receive adequate blood flow, the gases exchange does not take place during inadequate blood supply. Wasted air, that means the dead air space air generally considered as wasted air. Wasted air refers to air that not utilized for gas exchange. Normal value of dead space, under normal conditions the physiological dead space is equal to the physiological dead space. It is the because of all that alveoli that are functioning and all alveoli receive adequate blood flow in normal condition. The volume of dead space is 150 ml. Cyanosis. Cyanosis is defined as diffuse bluish discoloration of the skin and mucous membrane. It is due to presence of a large amount of reduced hemoglobin in the blood. The quantity of reduced hemoglobin should be at least 5 to 7 gram per deciliter in the blood to cause cyanosis. When it occurs, cyanosis distribute all over the body, but it is more marked in certain regions where the skin is thin. These areas are lips, cheek, earlobes, nose, fingertips, and above the base of the nail. Any condition which leads to arterial hypoxia and stagnant hypoxia because of hemoglobin content itself is less. It does not occur with histotoxic hypoxia because of tissue damage. Conditions when altered Hb is formed due to poisoning, Hb is altered into methemoglobin or sulfahemoglobin which cause cyanosis. Cyanotic discoloration is due to dark color of this compound only and not due to reduced Hb. Conditions like polycythemia, when the blood flow is low during polycythemia because of increased RBC count, viscosity of the blood increased and it leads to sluggishness of blood flow. So the quantity of deoxygenated blood increases which cause the bluish discoloration of the skin. Thank you. Thank you for